Hey guys, I welcome you here today on my art workshop from Miss da Vinci. Yeah, brush we don't need today, but we need our fingers. So let's start our volume flowers with fingers together with Miss da Vinci. Join me and let's go! Here you can find only demo lessons, my full lessons you could buy on my official Etsy website missdavinciart.etsy.com or via my Instagram or Facebook, so welcome. As I told you, we don't need any palette knife, any brush, we need only our fingers, we need acrylic paintings, also we need some canvas and some plastic plate where we could mix our paintings and make interesting volume color. So as you see here, I took some orange, I took some yellow, I took some beige, and I took of course white like main coat. Also I will take some green, and let's start to do our background. I put a lot of different colors through my fingers. I take yellow, take beige, take white, take some green, and start to do very volume painting stroke. I use my finger. Also you could use some napkin and try to put first coat of your background with interesting different colors. So as you see here, I use really few of colors to make one part of painting more bright and another one more dark. Also I want to take some green, some yellow, and let's start to do our flowers and our main exposition. I wanna paint in here with my fingers some vase in which I will put my volume flowers, my summer bouquet of flowers. So I took really a lot of acrylic painting. I use yellow, green and also white color and make one of side from left side of vase more bright, more shiny, and another one will be more dark. Here will be shadows, so from right side will be shadows and from left side will be sun. Also if I have some painting on my fingers, I will put it to the table. I will show shadow from our vase. And from one side it will be more dark and from another side more shine. Everything like in natural life, you never have the same color, one color, you have different one. So now I mix red and white, take a lot very volume painting on my fingers and start to paint in flowers. Yeah, I move quickly. I mix different colors. I like it. What do you think about this? Use orange or use yellow. Move quickly with your fingers. Don't scare. Really enjoy this process. Now magic started, as you see. I really like it. Also I will take some green, some fresh green. If you don't have such a spring fresh green colors, please mix yellow and simply green. Then you will have very fresh green colors. With these green colors I will put my leaves. I will put it to my bouquet, and also I put few leaves to the table. Like in real life, when you see some flowers bouquet, you could see few of leaves that laying into the table. I want to make it really in impressionism style. It's called impasto style, very volume, very colorful. So don't scare, use your fingers and go ahead with me. Also I want to put more yellow color to my shadow, painting some details like this, put more leaves to show our bouquet like more volume, more alive. Few small details. Yeah, here we go. Also I use some small wooden stick to make some small details that I couldn't do with my fingers. So big stroke I make with my fingers, and some small painting stroke I try to do with wooden stick. Few leaves to the table to make our pages more volume. Of course, don't forget about your signature, it's also very important. And here we go. This is how our volume bouquets looks like. So guys, if you like this demo, you always could buy full of my art lesson, of my art workshop that I could do only with fingers. To buy full version of workshop, please use my website Etsy, missdavinciart.etsy.com, or my Instagram or Facebook. Price is $10. Welcome and paint with me.